Previously, we talked about shot size. Today, we will explore camera angle. Camera angle is the camera's height and position in relation to the subject. Usually, the camera is placed at the subject's eye level, aligning us with their perspective. This mimics the angle we naturally see from, a viewpoint that feels familiar to us. When the camera is set above the character's eye level and angles down, we have a high-angle shot. Like looking down on someone, it can make your subject look inferior or vulnerable.
I guess I am begging.
When the angle is extremely high up like this, we call it bird's eye view or overhead shot. This viewpoint can feel unusual since we don't experience it in daily life. It can suggest detachment or an all-seeing perspective. When the camera is set below eye level and angles up, we have a low-angle shot. Just as we look up to someone who we admire, a low-angle shot can make your subject look powerful or dominant. When it's extremely low from the ground like this, we call it worm's eye view. It emphasizes scale and makes the subject look even more powerful. Since our world is dominated by horizontal and vertical lines, by slanting or tilting the frame, the Dutch angle disrupts such visual order. It often signifies that something is wrong.
Rosie. Rose.
Mom, two problems. One, I was literally...
Hey, thank God it's you.
An over-the-shoulder shot or an OTS shot looks past one's character's shoulder to see another character. Often used in dialogue scene to show back and forth interactions between characters. When the camera is positioned at the side of the character, usually at eye level, we have a profile shot. This type of shot can make the subject seem thoughtful, distant. Any of the angles we mentioned so far can serve as a point of view shot, or a POV shot. A POV shot shows the scene from a character's exact viewpoint. It establishes spatial relationships, but most often it immerses the audience directly in the character's perspective. We have explored a few common camera angles, but filmmakers can position the camera at any angle to show spatial relationships and shape mood, meaning, and perspective. Leave a comment below if that was useful. In the next video, we will explore another element of camera language, composition. See you then!